We're here at the Magic Kingdom. We made it. And we met up with Kelsey and Corey again.
On what'll probably be our last actual fun day of this trip. But
no, that's not true.
There's
The
activities
parks
in
are not supposed to close tomorrow.
That's true. We could maybe come for a little bit tomorrow.
Yeah. So tomorrow we'll be doing stuff. It'll be Sunday and potentially Monday that we'll be not doing stuff.
We'll be hanging out.
Yeah.
Because we don't get to leave now until Wednesday.
Yeah. We just found out our flight got canceled, so we're here for even longer.
Nothing was available the next day, so Wednesday. So
I'm
we'll
okay
have to
with
figure
that.
out if we can stay where we're staying or how that's all gonna work.
Yeah, we'll see.
But it'll be fun.
For your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train, and be sure to watch your kids. Indeed, these folks are very handsome. Here's the wildest ride in the wilderness.
Alright. That was fun.
It was really fun.
Oh, it's Brer Rabbit. I'll meet you over there. He's on a mission somewhere. Is there gonna be a hoedown here?
I think maybe half of it.
Notice that right now too.
What'd you notice?
The reef on the door.
Oh, there is a reef on the door. Oh.
Like dead flowers.
As they appeared in their corruptible, mortal state. Kindly step all the way in, please, and make room for everyone. There's no turning back now.
Step away from the wall, please, and into the dead center of the room. Away from the wall.
Your cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of foreboding.
Be sure to bring your death certificate if you decide to join us.
minutes for It's a Small World, I'll take it. It's not underwhelming. It's just whelming, I think.
It's just weird that it's
Yeah. I agree. I also like that they haven't added like the little characters from the movies. Not that I don't like those. I just appreciate that there's a park that still has just the regular It's a Small World style originality. Space Mountain twice. It's super rainy, gross time, so we've left the camera away for the last while. Hopefully it's less rainy now though. Hopefully. Yeah, there's a lot of rain happening today. But on the bright side, Buzz Lightyear's 5 minutes. Space Mountain was 10 minutes. You ready to pick some short butt?
I'm trying, gonna try. I've never been a galactic hero.
Hey, I did okay. Jeremy, not so much. I think now we're gonna get something to eat, but I don't know whether we're gonna eat here in the park or not. Where are we gonna eat?
I don't know.
Alright, sounds like we are gonna go to BJ's. So we are on our way out of the Magic Kingdom. It has just not really stopped raining.
What could be our last time this trip?
Yeah, we'll see. We are now officially on our way out of the park. Oh look, there's the castle back there. My umbrella. Oh, no, but oh, sorry. That's all you get. I gotta have an umbrella. Alright. We'll see you soon. I don't know if we're gonna vlog anymore. Okay, bye.